feels so good. I kind of wish I picked up some hot chocolate packets at the store. But I know Grace and I are planning on going to that little liquor store and then to the little coffee place before dinner. Yeah.
Which you could do
everywhere. Yes. And so that's why I'm like, if I'm on vacation, I'm gonna be doing what I came for vacation. Like, and the greens aren't like hard. It's not like
I want to get back to the hotel or the condo. And
yeah, it's been a lot of
they're like, how about that?
facts.
Grab a book.
Or like go in town and we could like shop or something. Not even shop to buy, just like look.
Go to Walmart. We'll buy board games. We'll play board games.
I would love to play a board game. I meant to bring one, but I didn't have enough in my room in my suitcase. Should have brought Finding Nemo Clue. That would have been a blast. Whoa, I kind of slid there. A little more than I meant. Just a little more than I actually anticipated.
Oh, well, you know.
Ready? All right. Broadway, here we come. We gotta speed race it.
Ready?
Ready? I'll follow you all the way down. We don't need to stop again. Caution, moose in area, Sean. There are moose in area. Okay, Speed Racer. No, Chris. I said no, Chris.
Nice run.
Well, we didn't find her. Let's see if it's updated. If she's moved. Imagine she's still in the same spot on the lift and it was just because her phone died or something.
No, I can hear Dad or Mom whistling. I just can't pick them out.
Oh. Chris is about to be here.
Huh?
She's at the shortcut. Yeah. Oh no. She's... Yeah, it looks like she'll be here shortly. Can't believe it's here. Wobbly gondola. It also says where I am. Yeah, she's close to us now. To the left. It's called shortcut. Oh, that's where she's going. See, you can look at it. Yeah, she's moving. She should be close. Well, no, look, she's moving closer. She's right there where the three intersect, I think. Yeah, she's gonna come down right here. It looks like she may come down this way, actually. Because I think Stampede is that way. And then, which one's Stampede? Then this one. Now she's on Wild Blue Way. Are you done today?
I can't hear.
I also just started sliding. Huh? I said I also just started sliding.
I'll leave at 2:15.
Is that her?
Wait, wait.
Maybe not. Another purple jacket. Can't tell if that's her in the purple jacket. I don't think so. Nope, it's not. That's a child.
No, it's not. That's her right there.
Yeah. Oh, is that her? Are you sure? No, I don't want to talk to her. Oh, there she is.
You done? Where did you just go? Just now?
How did we pass you?
How did y'all get over to that run?
When you come down Swinger instead of going to Google.
So y'all went, yeah, okay. So y'all went to the right where we cut left.
Yeah.
Right there at the
Where it goes
half
up
gondola.
this way or whatever. Well, we went
Oh, you
down,
cut across Giggle Gulch.
We went down
type deal,
not Bigfoot,
or
the next
whatever.
one. Yeah. It's Giggle Gulch.
To the run to the right away. To right away.
We didn't take Oh.
Wait, are you using Gracie's
No,
skis?
I went back. Mine were too long. I
Oh,
was fighting them too much.
fair.
That's why I'm done today because I didn't do it till lunch.
Well, I was wondering because she checked the app and y'all were on your way to the top of Christie.
It's not
Christie Peak
real
Express.
accurately.
Huh?
It's not necessarily always accurate because it said she was down here and you were on BC Sky, and then the next time I checked it, she was on BC Sky and you were on BC
Did Gracie
Sky.
fall or anything?
No, she was just really tired.
I can imagine.
But we just like
everything y'all did.
we literally just when we saw that y'all were like y'all were halfway up the deal, we got on, went to the top,
Oh, did you?
and somehow skied past y'all.
Well,
We saw Emma.
we saw Emma.
Oh, okay.
Y'all
Oh.
coming down there, and she's like, yeah, and on Emma, and it's like she can't hear you.
Bro,
And she's
I
like,
had no
"Where's-"
clue. Dang it.
And, and then she's like, where's Sean? And I said, well, he's probably in front of her, you know, because
Where was that at?
it was at the,
On Boulevard?
no, we came down Giggle Gulch just till it splits a swinger.
No idea.